The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a bread-and-butter, all-American pickup. Under the hood is a big 315 horsepower, 5.3-liter V8 with iron block and aluminum cylinder heads, cam and block, 2 valves per cylinder and 338 pounds-feet of torque. Chevy designed this workhorse to squeeze every mile possible out of a gallon of gasoline. The interior is spacious and well-organized. Very wide rear door opening on this extended cab to load passengers, cargo. GM also updated some electronic features. OnStar adds turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth and destination download. GM's electronic stability system includes rollover mitigation technology and it is standard on the Silverado. For your best price, contact Erwin Horn, our Internet Sales Manager.